Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 8th Subject English.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the second lesson, the tsunami. All of you take your English textbook for the class. Let us go to the class. Students, all of you take the page number 24. Today we are going to study the second lesson, the tsunami. Okay, let us go to the lesson. A tsunami is very large and powerful wave caused by the earthquakes under the sea. On 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand, part of the India, such as Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Tamil Nadu coast. Here are some stories of courage and survival. Okay, I ask you some questions. Did animals sense that the tsunami was coming? The answer is yes, because animal can sense the whatever the natural calamities will come, the animal can sense. Okay, some stories suggest that they did. The first story is this story these stories are from all from Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Archipelago means a group of many islands and the surrounding seas. Ignatius was a manager of the cooperative society in Kutchal. His wife woke up at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down to the ground so that it would not fall and break. Then the family rushed out of the house when the tremors stopped. Tremors means a slight shake. Earth tremors, that is earthquake. Okay. And two of the children catch hold of the hand of their mother, father, and brother and rushed in the opposite direction. He never saw them again. His wife was also swept away. Only the three other children who came with him were saved. This summary of this paragraph, summary of this page is tsunami referred to a very large and powerful wave in the sea. It is caused by some earthquake under the sea. One such calamity hit several countries on December 26, 2004. The worst affected parts coastal part of the India, Andaman, Nicobar Island and Thailand. Some 1,50,000 people lost their lives. But animals suffered very few casualty. Perhaps they had sensed the coming earthquake and they ran to the safer, higher place. This lesson recounts a few stories of bravery and intelligence when the tsunami hit the Andamans. The first story is about the Ignatius, manager of cooperative society in Kutchal. He was woke up by his wife at 6 a.m. The family rushed out of the house when the earth stopped shaking. The sea started rising. The wave washed away his two children and in laws, but his three other children were saved because they were with him. This is the first story. Page number 26. Here I am going to tell the summary of these two stories. Actually, this page number 26 having two stories. Here I am going to tell the summary. Okay. Sanjay was a policeman. He managed to save himself, his wife, and daughter from the wave. But soon he heard cries for help from the wife of John, the guest household. He managed and he jumped into the water to rescue her, but both were washed away. 13 years old Meghna was carried away along with her parent and 77 other pupils. She held on the wood door 2 days and 11 times the relief helicopter flew overhead, but they couldn't spot her. However, she was brought to the shore at last by the wave. And here is three stories. The third story is Almas Javed was 10 years old student of convent school in Port Blair. Her family had gone to the another island to celebrate Christmas. Alma's father saw the sea waves recede in the morning. They understood that the waves would come back with force. He tried to take his family to the safer place, but her father and grandfather were swept away the giant waves. Her mother and the aunt were washed away. Alma climbed onto a log of wood. She later found herself in a hospital. This is the three stories. Now, all of you take the page number 27 and 28. Now, I'm going to tell the summaries of these two pages, 27 and 28. Here, the story of Tilly Smith. There is a story from Thailand. The Smith family was celebrating Christmas at the beach resort. The parents had two daughters. The water kept coming in 26, on 26 December 2004, but the little Tilly Smith sensed the danger ahead. She recalled the geography lesson that tsunami could be caused by quakes, volcanoes, and landslides. She called her family to get out of the beach. Her parents went up to the third floor of the hotel and survived. Thus, her geography lesson saved her life. Students, now I am going to tell the summaries of 29 and 30. While humans lost their lives, wild and domestic animals sensed the danger in time. Elephant ran for higher ground and dogs, birds, zoo animals looked for safer place. Perhaps animal possess a sixth sense. They feel the tremors long before human release. So, not many animals were reported dead. At Yala National Park in Sri Lanka, no dead bodies of animals were found, while 60 visitors were washed away. This is the summary of the last page, and you have to read this lesson once again. This is very interesting lesson. You have to read this one. After this lesson, I am giving you the question answers of this lesson. You have to write this question answers. Thank you, children.